more than a month. But when I decided to do a current favorites video, I did not want it to be like a boring sit-down video. So it has 3 years, and then I paired it with these long dangling earrings which are from Expo. I'm not put it away. I was utilizing that time and I was not forcing it to smell. I was just working when this package arrived, but it's super breathable and light. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. This is gonna be a few days in my life plus some current favorites. I recently asked you guys in a poll on my community tab what would you like to see, and most of you voted for the current favorites. I also asked in one of my vlogs if you would like such a video where I talk about my current favorite products, not only related to beauty but everything, like all the day-to-day products, and I saw a positive response. So yeah, that is what we'll be doing. If you're seeing me for the very first time, hi, my name is Tarasha. I live in Gurgaon. I'm in my 30s. I live with my husband. I'm basically from Chandigarh, but I moved to Gurgaon I think around 10-11 years ago, and this is home now. And on this channel I share everything from my lifestyle, productivity and daily routines, life, chaos, everything. So if any of that tickles your fancy, hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. It's Tuesday evening and it's around 5:50 p.m. I am all dressed because we're heading out on a dinner date. I can't tell you guys, it has been more than a month since Avi and I went out for a proper dinner date or even a brunch date. So there's this place called Da Suzy. It's a pizzeria and it's in Crosspoint Mall near the Galleria Market. I wanted to try it out. I haven't been there. I have been to the Crosspoint Mall so many times and I do not know why. Like, why did I not try out this place? I think it is very hype and they serve the best pizzas. So really excited for it, and it worked out so great because Avi was craving pizza too. I'm a happy girl. So yeah, I'm all dressed and that's a cue for Avi to get dressed. I will catch you guys while I'm on the road or while I'm at the cafe. I don't know. Let's see. Hi guys, I'm back home and the food was phenomenal, just amazing. Well, I picked up the camera because I don't remember if I mentioned this already, but when I decided to do a current favorites video, I did not want it to be like a boring sit down video where I have all the products sitting in front of me and I'm just blabbing about it, but I wanted it to be more interactive and interesting for you. So I decided to do it a vlog style video, so you can expect little sprinkles of my current favorites throughout this video. Also, speaking of favorites, the pajama set I'm wearing right now, first of all, how cute is this? Like, just look at the print. This is a very pretty peach night suit. It's from Marks and Spencer. I'll make sure to link it in the description. Do check it out. I think I'll be able to find it online because I recently got it in store, but just in case it's not available online, I got it from the Marks and Spencer store in Cyber Hub, so you can check it out. And now, second favorite is this peppermint tea. You know, my nights are not complete without this. It is this one, the Tea Trove. I find it to be really good and it has become a ritual at this point. I got it off of Amazon. I will link it again. Like, all the favorites that I talk about in this video will be linked below. So I'm just gonna enjoy my tea and read a book. So if you're all caught up on my vlogs, AB got me the Mel Robbins The Let Them Theory book, and to be honest, I have been filming a lot and I did not get a chance to start it, but I'm hoping to start it tonight. So I will be doing that and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Recently, I've been loving listening to podcasts when I'm on my walk, like right now, and even when I'm cleaning around the house. And this one called Manifest by Tori is great, but the Mel Robbins one, that is just life. I can't get enough of these podcasts. Alright, you guys, I just came back from my walk and the weather was so nice today. It worked in my favor. I enjoyed my walk a lot. If you have been following me, you know what's coming up next. It's my collagen supplement, and this has been something that I don't mind sticking to. It tastes good and I think it is doing something for my skin, because before I started this, if you saw my Get My Life Back Together vlog, my skin was clearly not skinning at all. I was breaking out very badly, and I started taking this diligently and I think my skin has started to glow now. I'm gonna quickly whip this up and have it and then take a shower. Alright guys, the coffee is ready. Another favorite of mine are these Nestasia glasses. These are so amazing. I really like this. I don't know if it is origami style or what. I found these glasses to be really fascinating and makes my coffee taste even better. So I just took a shower and got ready for the day. Just some light makeup, concealer. It's too hot right now. And you know what? It's noon, like noon. I showered at noon. You know I am all about my morning routines. But hear me out. As soon as we made our coffees, the power went out and there was no power like till half an hour ago, and in my brain it was not a good call to take a bath and then get drenched in my own sweat. Like, it was such a pleasant morning. I do not know what happened after that. As soon as I came back after my walk, the temperatures just started rising and it was boiling hot. If you're living in Delhi NCR, you know exactly how hot it has been. But anyways, I am all showered, all ready, and here at my vanity, because there's bunch of stuff on my vanity that I need to show you guys. No gatekeeping. I'm gonna share everything that I use on a daily basis and I find them to be very, very useful and literally game changing. So let's go ahead with it. Okay, first thing is this jewelry organizer. This is so life changing. I got it off of Myntra, and you know why I love it? Because I can actually see all of my jewelry pieces instead of going through, like digging through all the mess. So it has 3 tiers. The top tier is for your earrings or your rings. I have bunch of silver and gold hoops and my everyday earrings in the top tier with some rings as well. And the bottom also has similar compartments minus the ring compartment. The bottom one is where I keep all my bracelets and necklaces. Also, these are removable. Like, if you want to clean it out, just pick it up and clean it. It's so convenient. I also have these 2 jewelry organizers, but these are mainly for travel purposes. This is a gift from my sister and this I got off of Amazon. I'll just open it up and show you guys quickly. So here is where you can keep your chains, and then similar compartments but good for traveling. It's very small and keeps your jewelry intact and safe. Also, this comes in bunch of colors. I think they also have this in this peachish pink color, a baby blue color as well. And then this product, this is a new find of mine. This is from Bumble and Bumble. It is post-workout dry shampoo mist, and oh my god, has it changed my hair game. Like, guys, this is not a gimmicky product. It really does work. It makes your hair so fresh, your scalp oil free, sweat free. They should launch in India because we are a tropical country. We need such products. Trust me, I haven't used a dry shampoo like this one. Unfortunately, it's not available in India. I asked my sister to get it for me from Melbourne, but I think it's also available in the US. So if you have any siblings or friends traveling, you can ask them to get you this product. You'll thank me later. And I feel like I've gone through my favorite makeup products, but still I'll mention few which have not changed in a while and which are available in India. So for brows, I swear by the Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm in the shade 4.5. And then for eyeshadows, ever since I've got this one, I've not put it away. This is the Huda Beauty Nude Medium Palette, and it has got all the everyday shades. Just look at it, like your peaches, your pinks, everything, plus the shimmers or foils, whatever these are. These just complete my look. And what else? I swear by the Rare Beauty blushes as well. These are available in India. I have two of them. One is Happy, which is more bright, and the other one is Hope, which is a little bit muted mauvish pink, and I love both of them. I can't forget the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm in the shade, I think, Custard. Yep, that's Custard. I am loving this nowadays in summers. In fact, this is what I have all over my face today. It's very light, breathable, and has been my go-to. And for years and years, I have been using this, the Color Bar Just Smoky Kajal in Just Brown. I've been using this for years in my waterline. I think it has been what, like 10 years, and I still love it. Alright, I hope you got a peek into my daily favorites on my vanity, and now I'm gonna continue editing because when the power was out, I was utilizing that time and editing a new vlog. I think I'm gonna hop back onto the editing and then grab some lunch, and yeah, I will see you guys soon. But in case you spotted anything on my vanity that I've not spoken about and you wanna know about it, do let me know in the comments. I will make sure to get back to you. Those uncertain nights, what people. Alright you guys, for lunch today I'm gonna use this, and this to whip up a quick wrap because I am not cooking in this heat. I already have some air fried potatoes meal prep. These complement any wrapper burgers too well. So I'm gonna air fry it for 2-3 minutes more after the kebabs are done. The lunch is ready, but you know what's gonna make it even better? This. I'm gonna dip my potatoes in this green onion sauce dip, whatever this is, and it's gonna be so good. This is so yummy. Anyways, I'm gonna have it and I'll catch you guys later. So I've been editing all day, like it's been go, and I need the second cup of coffee, hence AB comes to the rescue. Guys, I'm not forcing him to make it. He's making 2 cups. Just look, he's making 2 cups. Even he wants coffee. Also, I don't want to sound like a broken record at this point, but because this is a favorites video, the Basan Khan Estate from Blue Tokai is our favorite blend right now. If you are into dark roasted coffee, get this one. You'll be amazed at how good this is. Am I right?
Yes, it's the best.
Guys, this is AB's trick of getting just one shot in 2 cups at one time. I hope they don't fall. You know, I always go on and on about these kayak nail paints. Well, they deserve all the praise because they last at least 9 to 10 days on my nails without chipping, with just a top coat, and that too any top coat. Well, I was just working when this package arrived. So, a week ago, I ordered 3 new shades in the kayak nail paints. Well, I am already wearing one. This is called Dusky Lavender or Dusty Lavender, I'm not sure. But here are the new shades that I ordered. This is called Revenge Red. I think now you can properly see the color. And this is Nutmeg, a very pretty nude. I wish I was wearing this today. And this is a very interesting blue. This is known as Blue Koi. I will mention all of these shades in the description. I think I'll be switching my nail color tomorrow. Not today, tomorrow. Guys, today's dinner is gonna be so yum. This is the mousse tofu that I got the other day from Le Marche, and I just prepped it with some ginger, garlic, onions and capsicums, and it smells so heavenly. And to go with it, I prepped some quinoa rice. I had these 2 small containers of white rice, the leftover ones, and I quickly boiled the quinoa, threw some carrots, ginger, garlic and red bell pepper and capsicum, and there you have it. Such a quick and easy dinner recipe. I am salivating right now and I can't wait to have it. Alright, so I was just about to wash my face, and this makeup remover from pharmacy is absolutely my favorite. It's so good for sensitive skin. I get very easily irritated by highly fragranced products, and some makeup remover balms are just so slippery and they don't do the job. Well, this gets every bit of your makeup or anything that's on your skin out, and I use this diligently. I think this is the 4th tub and I keep on purchasing this because it's that good. Good morning, guys. I woke up so tired today. I don't know why, but I'm having one of those mornings where everything in my body is aching and I don't feel like doing anything, but I have so much on my to-do list. In fact, last night after having my dinner, I sat down to edit and I have so much to do and so little time, it feels like. Anyways, this little Amazon find, this ice roller, has been such a game changer in summers. It feels so refreshing. Also, I don't know why, but on days when I wake up super tired, I am puffy in my face and this helps. Anyway, happy Friday. It's gonna be a chill one today. I just have a few work things to take care of and I think I'm gonna take it very slow and steady. Also, guys, I get a lot of questions on my night suits, and this one in particular is from Westside and I think it's still in stock because I think I got it just a couple of months ago, so I'm gonna link it too. But it's super breathable and light. Now I'm just gonna ice roll for a minute, make my black coffee and start the day. Hi guys, it's evening and I just got a little bit ready because we're heading out to the golf course road to run a few errands. We might make most of it and grab a coffee, tea, boba, not sure at this moment, and enjoy. It's Friday, it's time to let loose a little bit and I love spending time with AB. So we are just gonna run a few errands, go on a little date. I am a little bit hungry, not gonna lie. I just had a plain parantha with aloo ki sabzi for lunch and that's it. I am excited to grab a cup of caffeine and a bite to eat and enjoy my Friday night with AB. I hope whenever you're watching this, you're having a wonderful week, a wonderful end to your work week and a start to your weekend. Also, before stepping out, let me quickly walk you through my outfit. So I'm wearing this very pretty floral top from Marks and Spencer. I think it's this satin material and I got it a couple of years ago around Valentine's Day, so it holds special value. And then I've paired it with these long dangling earrings which are from Accessorize and some skinny blue jeggings from Marks and Spencer and these really pretty chappals that I got from local store. That's about it, and now let's head out. So guys, we made a quick stop at the Galleria Market because there's this place called Fes, F-E-S, and we really wanted to try its coffee. I hope it's good. Let's find out.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah, yeah. Baby, it's
Guys, Fez was such a vibe. I tried the mango matcha and honestly, I didn't expect to love it as much as I did. It was so refreshing but still gave that matcha kick. We also got an iced flat white and it was so smooth. Definitely a place I want to go back to for a slow weekend morning. After this, we headed out to South Point Mall, and here I am at Sibang because I wanted to get some bagels. We also made a quick stop at the Wishing Chair. If you have never been there, you need to, even if you don't buy anything. It's such an amazing treat to your eyes. I literally wanted to buy so many things, especially this bouquet of dry flowers, but it was around 1100 bucks and it did not make any sense. Now we're at Lemash and AB right here is getting the coffee grounded. We found this new blend from Kahoma that we really like, and spoiler, we love it right now. While we were here at Lemash, we just picked up a few groceries that we needed over the weekend, and then we headed out to this North Indian restaurant called Gulati's. The food there is just amazing. You have to try it if you live in Gurgaon. It's around 10:45 p.m. So past my bedtime, but I'm so happy. We had such an amazing time. Also unlocked a new favorite North Indian restaurant. We just finished having our dinner at Gulati's. It is near the Mega Mall on the Golf Course Road and the food was so amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and let me know what are you gonna pick up next from my favorites. Do comment down below your favorites. Let's enable each other. Also stay tuned for part 2. I'm surely gonna make it because there were so many products I did not get to mention in one video. And with that, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye.
She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man. You should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long. So long.